Welcome back to TECHMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate, and get on with your day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure your Tapo TP-Link device and VLC Media Player to record the live stream of your camera without the need for any commercial or third-party software. I'm going to assume that you have already configured your Tapo TP-Link camera so that you can watch the live stream. If you need help with this, please check the video How to watch your Tapo camera live with VLC Media Player. A link will be in the description of this video for your convenience. Open VLC Media Player and click Media in the menu, and then open Network Stream. From there, connect to your TP-Link camera to watch the live stream. There are several ways to do this, and here I will use the interactive way, where you will have to provide a username and password interactively, but it will be changed later on in this video. Once the live stream is started, the clock or counter in the lower left hand corner starts to tick. We can now discuss recording the stream. This can be done without the need for paid software, because VLC Media Player will offer basic functionality, and that might be all that you need. The first method is to simply record the live video stream while it is being displayed, like now. Maybe there already is a record button visible in your VLC layout at the bottom of the screen, but if there is none, like in my case, click View and then Advanced Controls. This will add a couple of buttons, including the recording button. To start recording the video stream, simply click the record button, and if you look carefully, you can see that it is now in a pressed or enabled state. Alternatively, you can start the recording by clicking Playback and then Record. I've let the recording run for about a minute, and now I will press Record again to stop the recording. I am demonstrating this on a Windows 11 system, but for Linux or macOS, adjust accordingly. The recording can be located on your file system in the Videos directory, and the format of the file name will be VLC Record, then the date and time of the recording, and then the RTSP link that you have connected to. The format will be a .avi file. In Linux, the recording will be stored in the Videos folder inside the user's home directory, and on macOS it will be in the Movies folder. Watch the recording in VLC by double-clicking the recording. Although this method works, it assumes that the live stream is opened on the screen and then recorded. Also via this method, you can't set the recording format, output location or file name explicitly. The second method is to record straight to a file without seeing the footage on screen, and most likely this is what you require for non-stop recording of one or multiple cameras. Click Media, and then Convert/Save, and then click the Network tab. From there, provide the RTSP URL. Once again, refer to the video How to watch your Tapo camera live with VLC Media Player, which is linked below. And then click the little arrow to the right of the Convert Save button, and then select Convert. This will bring up a screen with functionality that's just not possible when recording via the first method. For example, this time we can specify the video format, the location and the file name. Earlier, the video format could not be specified, nor the location of the file name. There's much more control possible. Let me record this test recording to C temp test recording and give it a name of test recording. In the profile, by default, the MP4 format is selected. Now click Start. Provide the username and password, and the recording starts, indicated by the counter, but without seeing any footage on screen. By the way, if you want to skip the manual step of having to provide your username and password, you can incorporate them into the URL. Once again, refer to the linked video. It is now recording. As we can see, the file is growing on the file system. Simply stop the recording when you are done, and then the .mp4 file will be released so it can be watched. Now for a third method, where you could add the starting of the recording to a script. Again, I'm using Windows 11 and adjust accordingly on Linux or macOS. From a command prompt or terminal, I have navigated to the program directory of VLC, and from there, VLC can be started with a couple of parameters. VLC then the RTSP URL, where this time I will provide the username and password as part of the URL, and then the option --s_out equals file/mp4 to specify the mp4 video format, and then the full path and file name to store the recording. It's even possible to add a transcoding option, so the stream will be transcoded to a specific format, for example H.264, or a specific audio format before saving the file. VLC now starts, it connects to the stream, and then the recording starts, just like we saw earlier. Let's check the recording on the file system, where we can see the file size is growing. Stop the recording once you are done, and then watch the .mp4 file with VLC. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!